Hello and welcome to Some Wellness. Today we're just going to do a quick, easy meditation. This is great for those who are new to meditation, who feel like they can't quiet their minds and who can't clear their minds of everything, because in meditation the point is not to completely clear your mind. It's virtually impossible. The point of meditation is to just take control of your thoughts. So this meditation is great for that. It's just going to be a quick one if you're a new beginner meditator. The longer meditations are quite hard, so we're just going to do a quick one to start today. So find a comfortable seat. If you're unable to sit cross-legged on the floor, you can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. Whatever you do, just don't lay down. That makes us want to fall asleep. Whatever seat you have found yourself in, lift your spine, lift the crown of your head to the ceiling, and create a nice long spine, a nice straight back. And begin closing the eyes. First, bring your awareness to your shoulders and relax them back and down. Relax the jaw. And bring your awareness to your breathing. Not changing your breathing, not lengthening it or shortening it, just noticing your own breath. Noticing how it feels in the nose, in the nostrils. Is it warm? Is it cold? Anytime that your mind wanders to another thought, your to-do list, your aching back, that person that pissed you off today, know that that is the normal workings of the mind, and just remind yourself, hey, I'm meditating, and bring your thoughts back to your breath. And breathe. If you'd like to, you can increase the inhales by lengthening them out, and increase the exhales by lengthening them out. Noticing the sounds in this audio, and then bringing your thoughts back to your breath. When you notice the sensations of your body, just make note of it and come back to your breath. Relaxing the jaw, relaxing the belly, breathing here. Bringing your thoughts back to the breath, feeling the sensation of the breath in your nose, down the back of your throat, feeling the shoulders rise, the collarbones rise, feeling your rib cage expand and your lungs and your belly expand. And as you exhale, feeling the belly relax, feeling the rib cage relax, the chest falls, the shoulders fall, the breath coming back up the throat and out the nose. Just noticing the breath. Breathing here. Take one nice deep inhale in through the nose and exhale through the nose, slowly blinking your eyes open. And that's it for today. I hope this short meditation was helpful for you. You can look forward to more meditations and yoga soon to come at Some Wellness, and have a great day.